贵宾，欢迎抵达香港。为了安全起见，在请系安全带指示灯没有熄灭前，不要解开安全带离开座位。同时，在打开座位上方的行李柜时，请特别留意，以免行李滑落下来。感谢您搭乘天河联盟成员中华航空班机，并希望很快能再度为您服务。Dear passengers, welcome to Hong Kong. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. When opening the overhead compartment, please take care to ensure the contents do not fall out. Thank you for flying SkyTeam member China Airlines flight. We look forward to serving you again soon. Goodbye.